Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and these cupcake holders are so adorable. These were a great solution for our bridal shower that we were hosting. My favorite feature is the handle. I also love the window so you can see in at your cupcake. And we had different flavor cupcakes. So it was nice. You could see which flavor cupcake was in the holder. And another great feature is that these come with an insert. So it actually holds the base of the cupcake. They're just adorable. This Kraft paper is nice because it's so neutral, so it really will go with any color theme that you have. And they're quick and easy to put together. They weren't difficult. It didn't take a lot of time, and they're secure. So the cupcake stays nicely inside, and it's easy for our guests to carry out with them. These were such a great solution in addition to the bridal shower. It was so nice. These would also work for other pastries, but they were excellent for the cupcakes. And that's our point of view.